Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off 5G on your iPhone. So if you have a newer iPhone that has 5G, this means you can get higher speeds when using data on your iPhone. Now, some people are reporting slower speeds on the 5G network just because it is a new network and not fully established. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off 5G and ensure that your iPhone uses 4G or LTE for data rather than 5G. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings on our iPhone. And then in the settings, select Cellular. It should be in the first section at the top. Once you're in Cellular, all you need to do is select Cellular Data Options near the top, then select Voice and Data. As you can see, 5G Auto is currently turned on. To switch from 5G to LTE or 4G, simply put the checkbox next to LTE, and then select the back button. And now as you can see, for voice and data, our phone will only use LTE. Now you can close the settings on your app, and you have now turned off 5G on your iPhone. All right, so that's how you turn off or disable 5G on an iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.